Architecture work doesn't exist in a vacuum. Its purpose is simple, but often overlooked, to fulfill stakeholder expectations. And most of the time, those expectations aren't technical. They're about management, planning, and making the right moves at the right time. Stakeholders want to know, what value will this architecture bring? What's the business impact if we don't act? What's the plan, and who's involved? The final outputs they care about are clear: work packages that drive real change, a course of action they can support and align to. But here's the catch: you can't jump straight to those outputs without taking a step back to examine the architecture effort thoroughly, from multiple perspectives. You need a way to surface the gaps, define the effort, and make sure your architecture work is relevant to everyone involved. That's where the architecture work canvas comes in. It helps scope the problem and frame the context: goals, constraints, stakeholders, and key phases. But in my experience, scoping isn't enough. So I built the architecture work template. It's designed for practitioners, not to present to executives, but to guide the architecture thinking process. It helps you ask the right questions at the right time, validate that your analysis covers what matters, bridge the gap between insight and implementation, make sure the pretty diagrams actually mean something. Because without this layer of thinking, even the cleanest system design won't deliver value. The architecture work template helps you produce useful intermediate deliverables, a critical step that turns your canvas into decisions, actions, and structure. It ensures you've done the work behind the work, described the baseline, designed the target, and identified the gaps. The architecture work template is available on the QTAM website. Also, don't miss the online training covering the architecture work template, the method, and more. You'll find all details below. Thank you for watching, and see you there.